For today's informational text, we are going to be reading about sea turtles. So I'm going to give you about 30 seconds to turn and talk with a buddy. You are going to talk about what you notice and wonder here. So what do you notice about the sea turtles? What do you wonder about sea turtles? Anything like that. Go. All right, moving right along. We are going to watch this quick video and try and answer, does a sea turtle need air? Does the sea turtle need air? I'm going to give you 30 seconds to turn and talk with a buddy to answer that question. Does a sea turtle need air? Alrighty, we are going to move right along. Here we have a photograph with a caption, leatherback sea turtle laying eggs. And on the slide, you are going to tell me, what do you know about sea turtles?